primary definition, primary in a sentence, primary pronunciation, primary meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of primary. Primary. Pri-ma-ry. Primary. Primary as an adjective means the most important, or the first in order. Common usages in academic writing: a primary stage, a primary reason, a primary objective, a primary source. Example sentences: primary, adjective. The primary reason California was colonized was for the mining of gold. Example sentence number 2. While working 4 part-time jobs, he didn't have a primary source of income. The common academic writing variation is primarily, adverb. Most personal computers are primarily used for word processing, not for gaming. Please write a sentence using primary in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of primary, the meaning of primary, and primary example sentences. Please like and subscribe if this has been useful for you, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.